Why am I dreaming every night all of a sudden? Have you been waking up every morning with vivid memories of your dreams and wondering why this is happening all of a sudden? Let's break it down to understand what might be behind these intense nighttime experiences. First, it's important to know that dreaming is a normal part of sleep, especially during the REM, rapid eye movement stage. This is when your brain is most active and you're likely to have the most vivid dreams. However, if you're dreaming every night and remembering these dreams clearly, there could be several reasons for this. One major factor is stress or anxiety. If you're going through a stressful period, whether it's due to work, family issues, or significant life events like getting married or buying a house, this can trigger more intense and frequent dreams. Traumatic events, such as the loss of a loved one or a car accident, can also lead to vivid dreams and nightmares. Sleep disorders can also play a role. Conditions like insomnia or narcolepsy, or even changes in your sleep schedule, such as those caused by traveling across time zones, can increase the likelihood of having vivid dreams. This is because these conditions disrupt your normal sleep patterns, leading to more time spent in the REM stage. Certain medications can also contribute to vivid dreaming. Antidepressants, beta blockers, blood pressure medications, and drugs for Parkinson's disease or to stop smoking are known to cause more intense dreams in some people. Substance abuse, including excessive alcohol consumption or the use of recreational drugs, can also trigger vivid dreams and nightmares. Similarly, withdrawal from drugs can have the same effect. Other health conditions, both mental and physical, can influence your dreams. For example, depression, schizophrenia, heart disease, and cancer have all been linked to more frequent and vivid dreams. Even something as simple as what you watch or read before bed can affect your dreams. Watching disturbing content or reading something intense right before sleep can lead to dreams related to those experiences. Lastly, emotional states like anger or frustration can carry over into your dreams. If you go to bed feeling upset or angry, you're more likely to have vivid or disturbing dreams. If you're having vivid dreams every night and it's becoming a concern, it might be a good idea to talk to a doctor to see if there's an underlying condition that needs attention. In the meantime, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including a regular sleep schedule, a balanced diet, and managing stress, can help reduce the frequency of these dreams.